Hello guys, welcome to my channel and today I'm here to talk about episode number 20 of Mushoku Tensei. So I thought that things were gonna get intense. We're gonna see some action scenes and stuff in this episode, but what we got was just a chill and fun episode which I enjoyed a lot. I seriously don't have any complaints with this episode. Of course there were some weird scenes which always happen in Mushoku Tensei, but I'm not gonna talk about them. I'm just gonna ignore them and I'll talk about rest of the episode. So Parks, he is the one who imprisoned Rudy and is behind imprisoning like Lilia and everyone. So his older brother, is his name starts with Z, I think so. I don't exactly remember his name, but his name starts with Z. Like his older brother, he was a really big fan of Rudy's sculptures, and he thought that the sculptures were amazing, and so he was like, you know what, Rudy, since you made these sculptures, I'm gonna just get you out of here. So he literally grabbed Parks by his head and made him, just released Rudy. He made him do that. So that was kind of like unpredictable, because when we first saw him, he was like, I gave up my last subordinate for this sculpture. I gave up my last subordinate to Parks. And so it feels like maybe Parks has like more power than his brother, but that wasn't the case. It seems like he is under his thumb, like his older brother's thumb, literally, and he just made him. He was like, my poor guy was just sleeping. He grabbed him by his head and just brought him down where Rudy is. Even like Ruijerd and Eris, like they came and they didn't really got any action, to be honest. Like they didn't had anything. We didn't even see Ruijerd saving other people's like family. I don't know if he had to fight or what. I don't know what he had to do, because at this point like Parks like ended up releasing Rudy. So I don't know if Ruijerd had to fight or not, but it really doesn't matter. Their families are saved. Rudy is saved. Lilia is saved. And we also see some scenes of Lilia and how the calamity struck them. We see, like, imagine like you were in their place and you see this like giant glowing lightning, and it just coming towards you. It is scary because you don't know what's gonna happen, and they were thrown into a river or lake or somewhere, and they were in there, so they came out and then they went to that. And she thought maybe if she takes Roxy's name, maybe they will help her, but that kind of came to bite her in the ass, and it didn't work out. She was imprisoned, as we know. And at the end of the episode, we see like Rudy and Aisha. Like Aisha is really cute. Okay, she's really good. Like seeing her just talk and everything is just like, yeah, she's really cute. So like seeing her also at the end when she was like, I'm sorry, Rudy. So she already knew. She figured out that this was Rudy, and that was also came as a surprise. I thought maybe Lilia is gonna tell her now, because since everything is over, he saved Lilia's life and everyone, so maybe Rudy's image is gonna be better in her eyes. But she didn't tell her. She's figured it out on her own. And Lilia gave Rudy that box again, which is one of the weird scenes that I was talking about, but I guess I don't care enough to talk about it. It is what it is. There was also I guess that was mainly brought up to show the gift from Sylphie, so I'm fine. Like it was for his 10th birthday, I think so. I don't know what age Rudy is right now. He is 12, 13, I don't know what, I forgot what his age is, but his 10th birthday was like a long time ago, so I guess that scene was there just to showcase Sylphie's gift for him. And I guess like judging from this, it feels like that their next stop is going to be like trying to find Sylphie, because he brought up Sylphie in the episode with Paul, and then he like Lilia gave him the box which had the present from Sylphie. So I feel like next target would be Sylphie. I mean, Rudy is not gonna go and try to find Sylphie in specific, but I feel like the next encounter is gonna be with Sylphie. That's what my guess is. But I guess for now the series is gonna B, just trying to find different people of the family, because that's what the direction seems like, because I'm really interested in what happened with Aris's grandfather, like what happened there. So I'm really looking forward to when we get to that story thread. But for now, as I said, the episode was enjoyable. I enjoyed it. I seriously don't have any complaints. I've never even felt bored during the episode, so it was a good episode, fun episode. Not a lot happened, but it was just a fun and nice chilling episode. So always appreciated in between some episodes, not every time, because if now they're gonna be like 3 or 4 episodes focusing on just like this, like fun and chilling, just trying to find his family, it's gonna get boring. So hopefully they spice it up and make things interesting, but let's see what happens. At the end of the day, I enjoyed the episode. Let me know what did you guys feel about it in the comments below, and I will be here for next episode next week. So till then, have a great time. I'll meet you in the next one.